pronounce that.
Is that a word? Zoud 12?
Have you ever come across a word or a name and wondered, how exactly do I pronounce this? We're going to show you how you can pronounce them and many more with the help of native speakers all around the world. Off to the pronunciation studio.
Welcome to Pronounce with me. We're looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say other interesting words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this one? Aoife. Once again. Aoife. Let's repeat. Aoife. Pretty straightforward once you know.
What other words or names would you like to see us pronounce next? Let us know in the comment box below, and of course be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video. Just make it out now.